Hey guys, this is just a quick supplemental video showing some of the modifications I made to my air conditioner controls so that they align a little bit better with this kit. So as you know, the kit that you buy from Korea that we used in this modification comes with these straight rails. However, when you use those, they don't exactly line up perfectly and you end up with this gap and the angles just aren't right. So I set out to try and improve that. I'm fortunate that at my work we have a MakerBot 3D printer, which doesn't really get used that often, so I set out to make a 3D model of, first off, just the default rails that came with the kit so I could use that as a guide. And then over the process of several versions, I've modified these rails to come up with what you're seeing here, which is just a slightly angled, a little bit shorter kind of rails. And once I printed these out and installed them in, it lined everything up perfectly. So if you guys are interested, I'll try and upload these STL files somewhere so that you can download and print them out yourself. Or if you don't have a 3D printer, I know there's a lot of online services that you can just upload the STL files to and they'll print them out and ship them to you. I've seen over the years a few people that have actually modified their Hyundai Sonatas to do this exact same project, and I've received a few questions and comments asking how I got the controls so perfectly aligned, so I figured I would just make this quick video showing what I did. Hopefully it helps you guys out. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded some videos, but just stay tuned. I do have a new series coming soon that's going to be showing some of the tweaks and apps that I use in the car to make the experience better. So stay tuned. Those videos are going to be coming shortly. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.